Hello and welcome to MediaNama. Late last month, the Delhi High Court dismissed a petition seeking directions to ensure compliance with the judiciary's mandate on live streaming and video recording of court hearings. The court was responding to a petition by Bharat Bhushan Sharma, who claimed that the Delhi High Court's 2023 notification was being implemented ineffectively. The notification detailed guidelines on the archival, access, and retention of recorded proceedings. Sharma also recalled the Supreme Court's observation in a previous case where it noted that the ability of the public to witness court proceedings significantly aided the concept of justice at the doorstep. This declaration by the Apex Court led to its E Committee forming the model rules for live streaming and recording of court proceedings for high courts and subordinate courts under its supervisory jurisdiction. Coming back to the court's verdict, Justice Sachin Datta refused to issue any further directions and refrained from imposing any strict timelines on the expansion of live streaming services. Reaffirming a previous judgment, he noted that the technical committees of the Delhi High Court are already engaging with this initiative and attempting to resolve the logistical and infrastructural challenges it poses. Justice Datta also stated that courts should adequately prepare before expanding live streaming to ensure that the quality and security of judicial proceedings are not compromised. His statements followed the expression of concern about the misuse of videos of live streamed court hearings by content creators on social media. Justice Datta's concerns have been echoed previously by Supreme Court Justice B.R. Gavai as well. To explain, Justice Gavai, in a recent address on leveraging technology within the judiciary in Kenya, cautioned against the circulation of edited clips on social media that sensationalize court proceedings and misinterpret judicial discussions. He also questioned the unauthorized use of court hearings by YouTubers and highlighted conflicts over the intellectual property and ownership rights of such recordings. Notably, this isn't the first time the issue of live streaming and recording of court hearings is being highlighted. Lawmakers in the Rajya Sabha have raised this issue in the winter session of 2024. In response, the Ministry of Law and Justice disclosed that the Supreme Court has not issued the government any specific directions regarding the live streaming of court proceedings beyond the previously circulated model rules. Besides this, the government also disclosed that it has earmarked Rs 112.26 crore for the third phase of the e-courts project, which primarily focuses on establishing a courtroom live audio-visual streaming system. However, the petitioner argued that despite this budgetary allocation, courts still lack the necessary infrastructure to implement this initiative effectively. Currently, several high courts, including Gujarat, Guwahati, Odisha, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Patna, Madhya Pradesh, and Uttarakhand, as well as the Constitutional Bench of the Supreme Court, live stream court proceedings, allowing media and other interested persons to join. Of these, the Gujarat High Court began experimenting with live streaming court proceedings on YouTube in 2020 to increase access to courts and set into motion the open concept for virtual hearings. In the same year, the Delhi High Court barred public viewing or attendance of online court proceedings, even by journalists. The court order followed an incident of unidentified persons joining the proceedings through the virtual hearing, talking incessantly, and obstructing the hearing of submissions by the counsel and justice dispensation. Later in 2021, legal journalists and law students approached the high courts of Madhya Pradesh and Allahabad, urging them to begin live streaming their court proceedings in line with the actions of other high courts. In these applications, the petitioners also sought the creation of a media room for the facilitation of journalists. Overall, while the Supreme Court has revisited the issue multiple times, it remains to be seen what infrastructure setups take place over the coming months. Besides this, Justice Gavai has also previously noted that the live streaming of constitutional cases of the Supreme Court has been a major step towards transparency. Notably, this process also remains crucial for journalists and other individuals who frequently access court recordings on matters of public interest. Thank you for watching. For more tech policy updates, please subscribe to MediaNama.